Paano manggawa ng portfolio if you do not have any experience at all? So when I say no experience, wala kang experience talaga never ka nag-work. If this is you, then watch this video till the end because this will definitely help you. Remember, we have 5 services na pwede natin i-offer as freelancer. Admin, creatives, tech, support, and sales. Your portfolio should answer the question, what would it feel like to hire you? How are you going to help my business from point A to point B? Your portfolio should be client-centric. And for today's task, focus naman tayo sa creatives. So, paano nga ba ma-showcase sa iyong portfolio yung iyong creativeness? Kahit hindi ka naman ganun ka-creative. Open a browser and go to canva.com/learn. So, makikita nyo lahat ng mga trainings and tutorials kung paano nga ba maging creative, including design, marketing, branding, and all that stuff. It's all up to you. If you want to take all of these classes, go for it. But if you decide on, for example, you want to learn how to make a t-shirt with Canva Smart Mockup, click mo lang yan. Panoorin mo yung mismong tutorial, and then once you put into practice kung ano na yung natutunan mo doon sa class, take a screenshot of yung product nung iyong ginawa, and you can use it as your sample work. All of this, you can learn for free, but please don't forget to tag me. Tapos gamitin mo yung hashtag natin na Freelancer na Me this 2023. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!